Okay, Paul, breathe. It is just a new job. It is just a new boss. You know English. You studied for 5 years. Subject, verb, object. Be polite, be professional. I can do this.
Oh, hello. You must be Paul.
Hello, I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am okay. Are you all right?
Oh no, I did it again. I sounded like a robot from a 1990 textbook. Why does this always happen to me?
Welcome back, everyone. So, Paul, that was interesting.
It was terrible, Emily. I wanted to be polite. My textbook says, Chapter 1, Greeting. Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you. Why was it wrong?
Paul, listen. It is not grammatically wrong. Your grammar was perfect, but your feeling was wrong. When you say, hello, I am fine, thank you, you create a wall. You sound distant. You sound like a stranger.
I don't want to be a stranger. I want to sound natural. I want to connect with people.
Exactly. Today, we will fix this. We have a simple plan. We will learn 2 real phrases, one for your friends and one for your boss. And finally, the perfect answer. Are you ready to stop being a robot?
I am ready. Let's go.
Okay, phrase number 1. Use this for friends, neighbors, or people at the coffee shop. Listen first. How's it going?
How is it going?
No, that is too slow. That is too clear. Native speakers connect the sounds. We smash the words together. We don't say each word separately. We say, how's it?
How's it?
Yes, like the letter Z. How's it? Try it again.
How's it?
Good. Now the second part. Go in. We often stop the G sound at the end. We don't say going. We say goin'. How's it going?
How's it going?
Yes, it sounds like one long word, not 3 words, just one single sound. How's it going? Say it 3 times, fast.
How's it going? How's it going? How's it going?
Perfect. Now imagine the situation. You're walking your dog in the park. You see your friend. You smile. What do you say?
Hey, how's it going?
Excellent. Friendly, fast, and natural. Now it is your turn. Yes, you. Practice with me. I'm your friend. I'm walking past you in the street. Don't say hello. Use the new phrase. Ready? Go. Did you say, how is it going? No. Say, how's it going? One more time. Louder. Great job.
Okay, Emily. I love how's it going. It is easy. But I cannot say that to the CEO. I need something professional.
You are right. For work or for your boss, we need phrase number 2. It's polite, but it's warm and friendly. Listen. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Hello is just a word. Good to see you is a feeling. It means I am happy you are here. But be careful with the melody of your voice. Don't speak flat like a machine. Don't say, good to see you. You must say, good to see you.
Good to see you.
Yes, stress the word see. Let's try a role play. I'm the boss. Good morning, Paul.
Good morning. Good to see you.
Wow, that feels very different. I feel respected.
Okay, I have the greeting, but wait, what if you ask me? If you say, how's it going, can I say, I'm fine?
Please don't. I'm fine kills the conversation. It's a dead end. Here's the universal answer. It works for friends. It works for bosses. Pretty good.
Pretty, like you are pretty?
Great question. Usually pretty means beautiful, but here in this phrase, pretty means very. Pretty good means very good.
Ah, okay. Pretty good.
Try the intonation. Your voice should go up at the end. Pretty good.
Pretty good.
And now the most important rule. Don't stop. You must hit the ball back, like a game of ping pong. Say, pretty good. You?
Pretty good. You?
Yes, short and sweet. You don't need to say, and how are you? Just, you? Let's practice the loop. Hey, Paul, how's it going?
Pretty good. You?
Pretty good. See, that was a real conversation, fast and easy. Okay, Paul, you learned a lot today. Now it's time for the final exam. I will change my character. You have to react instantly. Don't think, just speak. Are you ready?
I'm ready. No more robots.
Yo, Paul.
How's it going?
Good morning, Paul.
Good morning. Good to see you.
Hello, human. Greetings.
Stop. We don't do that here.
You did it. You survived the social situations.
I feel so much better. I think I can walk into the office tomorrow and not sweat. I have my tools. How's it going? Good to see you. Pretty good.
That's all you need to start. Now, I have a question for everyone watching. Homework time. Which phrase is easier for you to say? How's it going or good to see you? Write your answer in the comments below.
And if you want to speak like a native, subscribe to the channel. Give us a like if you are not a robot.
Thanks for watching, guys. Keep practicing your English every day.
See you next time. How's it going? Oh, wait, that's for hello. Bye.